Hello, welcome to Top Trading Edge. Today, 15th December. Uh, let's take a look at the market conditions, see what market has done today, and tomorrow is the Friday, which is the 16th of December 2022, and it's very interesting video would be today. What I noticed, couple of things, guys. Okay, so right here now market is been selling off right here. As you can see, we had the red day right here, but we poked through the 100-day moving average in very fast. Market was super duper sell off mode today, the way I found out. So if you look at here, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, last 3 days continuously bearish right here. Now uh, market sell off mode, and remember guys, this is the year end. There's a lot of loss taking, also tax sale collections, so a lot of things is happening. That could be one of the reason right here is been happening, right? And we have the support here. This is not a support, guys. Okay, this is not the support, it's just a gap down. From here to here there's a gap. All right, so that's where we are actually right here. This is the gap. From this onwards we have a gap to be filled right here. That could be cheese, mouse trap right here. That's the one thing you need to keep it in mind, is a mouse trap. So I'm going to lay out the bull scenario and bear scenario. Both could be happen. Why? There's a twist there's a caveat today. Right. So first important part, let me reveal. Remember guys, most important part we have is a $4 trillion option expiry. I just tweet about it. $4 trillion worth of options set to expire tomorrow, Friday, right? That's the groundbreaking. Market maker love to collect all the premium, right? So many market participants expect the event tomorrow to result in S&P 500 heading break out the range, and it can be trading for the past few weeks. This has been doing already, right? Right here, let's take a look at the zoomed in. You can see SPX $2.4 trillion, all the E-mini $310 billion. So combination of all equities, non-equities, everything combines. $4 trillion option expiry tomorrow. All right. So to keep that thing in mind, it's not about you and me. It's not about you and my portfolio. It's about because they got the power, they got the tools, right? They got everything. We don't have anything. They are the driver. We are sitting in the back seat. So now we need to think what are the things they could do. Right now they've been selling off. Now these are the selling, but we have a year end going on, right? Year end sell off going on. Hey, if they want to really if they've been short covering going on and now they are done and they need to clear their books, absolutely, then we can go down. Now let me explain you what I see here. If they want to go down, this is what I can see. If you look at the smart money, where are the smart money sitting? Right here. So as you can see right here, we already left the supply zone from here on the top, this area, and there was no buyer. So now where are the buyers sitting here? Look, this is from here to here is the gap, which I showed you on a daily chart. So where are the supply is around this area, I would say right here. This is your supply right here. Okay, so if market, this is your supply area around 376, 375. If markets take this on and try to fill up the gap, so now let's go and look at the daily chart so you can understand. That was 30 minutes. So what here happening is, right here is the supply area sitting here. The gap is up. Now gap start from here, 386 right here, 386. Okay, 386. So now that once the market starts selling up, we could be a big time. Then we can definitely go in this area to fill the gap somewhere around 380. We could go and fill up the gap right here. But guess what? That's the trap. Mouse trap, cheese trap. It can happen that also. But the other side, they have also $4 trillion greedy, right? Profit booking, option expiry, right? So going further out there, all the machine calculates everything based on the calls and puts ratio. Based on that calculates and see where need to be ended, so maximum profit they can rake, right? And they also need to take a look at their book, because of year end. Every time year end, they got to clear their position for 2022. They can't just dump it in one day. They have to continuously billions and billions of dollars they got to sell, right? If that happens, sales or buy, that's what they have to do. Now machine calculates all these things. So what happens if we break tomorrow 386.39 area, right here. Let me put a little price tag so you can understand right here. If tomorrow we break 386.39, we could go and test this supply zone probably right here, 30 minutes. Okay, hold on a second, guys. Okay, right, yeah, that's pretty much yeah, around 380, 375 area these are the area right here, your support 376. Remember guys, 376. So let me put the price 376. We could go and test right here. If that happens, if you break 386, we could go, then we could go lower. But if market go and in the morning, they can fake it out, go test and bounce. Everybody think market gonna go down, and they can bounce and trap all the bears. Why? How many bears? You have a bunch of bears sitting because market is all bearish, right? These are all the people who are holding, they are bearish, right? So they have theta decay also. But then they can north. If they go north, what would happen is everybody, all the bear could lose. So that is the one scenario. If they go little bit up also, that's the one scenario. So this is the bull scenario, means they can go reverse and all the bear get trapped. That's the bull scenario. You got to keep it in mind. The bear scenario is and also bull scenario, there is a mouse trap here also, that could be a bull scenario also. The bear scenario is if they really have all the books are open and they need to sell. If they need to sell that, absolutely, they have a limited time left now only, right? 2022. So it's only one more week left, and then market will be pretty much done, 1.5 week, right? So that's the reason now they have to balance it out, where the time versus the options. That's what they need to calculate. So that's the reason I'm always live, guys. When I'm live, I can exactly see where the bottom is, where the top is, where the reversal is. And that's the reason I always tell guys, if you want to know exactly what's happening, I always announce, and you can take a benefit of it. I'm always live right here. I'm always live. Top Trading Edge Academy on YouTube, Top Trading Edge, and I'm always live morning 9:30 to 4 p.m. and you would know what the market cycle going on. Absolutely, and I announce every time. Only thing is you have to give your time to the market, and then you would know. But yep, right here you can YouTube it, Top Trading Edge, and I always live. Right? So that's what I will announce. But until then, I can do guesswork. So I don't basically trade what I think. Okay, these are the guesswork. So it's a financial disclaimer strong here. This is not what I'm thinking. I don't trade what I think. I trade what I see now, because market maker, they have different agenda. Machine calculates different things, and they make a U-turns and trap and all this, because option expiry, everything is money, right? That's the reason. Everything is about the money, and I don't like the way the system is running with the brain right? That's why I don't want to lose the money, so I'll wait for it. But these are the scenario I can see right here, and let's see what it brings tomorrow. Okay, so let's keep keep the video very short, guys. Twitter doesn't allow more than 10 minutes video, and if it is a bigger size, they don't even allow 8 minute also. So let's keep it short. It's almost 8 minutes, but I'll see you tomorrow morning 9:30. Join Top Trading Edge, and see you tomorrow morning 9:30. Thanks. Bye.